Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a powerful upgrade for any battery setup. This is the BMS V19, rated at 200 amps. Now if you're working with LiFePO4 batteries, you already know how important a good BMS is. It basically acts as the brain of your battery system, protecting it from overcharging, over-discharging, and keeping everything running safely. What makes this model stand out is the active balancing feature, which works at around 1 to 2 amps. This helps keep all the cells in your battery pack balanced, which improves performance and can significantly extend the life of your battery. It supports 16-cell battery configurations, making it perfect for 24V and 48V systems, whether you're building a solar setup or a home energy storage system. Another great feature is the 4.3-inch LCD display, which shows real-time information like voltage, current, and overall battery status. It's super useful for monitoring your system without needing extra tools. It also supports TTL communication, so you can connect it to other systems and controllers for more advanced setups. With a solid build and a 200A capacity, this BMS is suitable for both small DIY projects and larger energy systems. Overall, if you're serious about battery performance and safety, this is definitely a product worth checking out. You'll find the link in the first comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.